everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Wayland dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Wayland dildo itself. Now we would not recommend this for beginners and we would recommend this for more advanced or experienced users due to its size and large diameter. As you can see, the Wayland features a very realistic design with a realistic ball sack, a textured veiny shaft for extra stimulation, and a realistic rounded head just there. It features a firm yet flexible shaft just here for optimal comfort during use, and the material itself is very silky soft as well for a comfortable feel. It is suitable for both vaginal and anal use, and you can pair it with your favourite strap-on harness thanks to the suction cup. You can attach the strong suction cup to any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. We'd always highly recommend to apply water-based lubricant to the dildo and your intimate zones for optimal comfort during use. Always make sure to clean your dildo after every use with toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Wayland dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.